Are you tired of that petsa de peligro feeling, where your wallet is empty? Days. Do you ever wonder where all your money goes? What if I told you that the secret to taking control of your finances, saving more, and finally crushing your financial goals is already in your pocket? Forget complicated spreadsheets and notebooks. Today, we dive into the best budgeting apps, specifically for Filipinos. In 2025, I'm going to show you the exact tools, from tracking your daily coffee expenses to planning for your biggest dreams. Stay until the end, because I'll reveal my #1 pick that perfectly integrates with popular Filipino e-wallets and banks, making budgeting. Let's be real, managing money in the Philippines can be tough. First up, let's talk about a powerful international player that works great for Filipinos, YNAB. Now, don't be intimidated by its subscription fee. YNAB is different because it's not just an expense tracker. It's a full-blown financial methodology. The core principle is give every dollar a job. Before you even spend a single peso, you assign it to a category: rent, groceries, savings, even your milk tea fund. This proactive approach forces you to be intentional with your money. It has amazing features for goal setting and debt paydown, and its educational resources are perfect for those who are serious about making a major change and need a structured system to follow. The investment in the app often pays for itself with the money you'll save. But what if you want something powerful, yet free? Let's talk about Money Manager, expense, and budget. This is a fan favorite in the Philippines for a reason. It's incredibly detailed and customizable. You can track your expenses, manage your assets, and view your financial life. Easy to understand charts and graphs. You can see your cash flow at a glance, set budgets for different categories, and even attach photos of your receipts. It is a fantastic all-in-one solution for those who love data and want a comprehensive overview of their net worth. The best part, the core features are completely free. Managing all these categories can be a game. If you're finding this breakdown helpful and want a future video on the 50/30ths, 20 budgeting rule and how to apply it using these apps, hit that like button and let me know in the comments. Now, for those who value simplicity and a clean wallet is designed to be intuitive and visually appealing. It makes budgeting feel less like a chore and more like a game. One of its standout features is its ability to connect to your bank accounts automatically. While bank connectivity in the Philippines can still be a bit hit or miss, depending on the bank, its manual tracking is still seamless. It also has great features for planning future payments, managing debts, and sharing your budget with a partner. If you want a powerful app that doesn't overwhelm you. And now, for my #1 recommendation for most Filipinos in 2025. The app that I believe offers the best combination of simplicity. Spendee hits the sweet spot. It has a fantastic, user-friendly interface that makes tracking expenses quick and easy. But its killer feature is its smart integration capabilities. It works incredibly well for tracking expenses from multiple sources, including your e-wallets, like GCash and Maya, which is how most of us transact these days. You can create shared wallets with family or partners, set smart budgets that notify you when you're about to go over, and it provides insightful analysis of your spending habits over time. It helps you answer questions like, am I spending too much on grab food? For the modern Filipino, Spendee is a powerful tool. So, let's do a quick recap. If you need a strict life-changing methodology and don't mind a subscription, all-in-one financial overview for free. If you love a beautiful design and want automated features, Wallet is a fantastic choice. And if you want the best all-around app, that is perfect for the modern Filipino lifestyle with Spendee is my top pick. The best app is the one you'll actually use, so download one or two of these. Play around with them. Taking control of your money is one of the most empowering things you can do. You now have the tools to start your journey to financial wellness. Which of these apps are you excited to try first? Do you use another app that you absolutely love? Share it in the comments below. Let's help each other out. And if this guide gave you the clarity you needed, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll miss our next videos on growing your savings and investing. Thank you for watching, and here's to a richer 2025.